This How to 1 Minute will guide you how to enable register globals in cpanel. You can easily turn on register underscore globals in your php.ini file. To do this, first of all, log into your cpanel and open File Manager. Now, create a php.ini file in the directory. You need register underscore globals to be turned on. I'm opening my public underscore HTML directory. And now, click on File and give the file name php.ini and click on Create File. Once it's created, select the php.ini file and right click on it. Click on Edit. And here, all you have to need is just add this code, register underscore globals, and make sure to put the value on and click on Save Changes. And this is how we can turn on register globals in cpanel. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.